So hello guys, today we are going to braid this hair. I'm going to unravel this hair. I washed my hair yesterday, and guys, I'm going to unravel this hair and then we're going to start our braiding. Guys, stay tuned about this video. With these locks, I'm going to make use of Brazilian wool, some kinky hair, and then the final focus will be on the curls. I'm going to add some curls to these locks. Guys, stay tuned and watch this video.
I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. You ain't see me activated. You better hope that you never see me agitated. I think about my actions, plan them out, evaluated. That's how I end up on the top, man, I'm calculated. My mind's a weapon, my body is the engine. I'm never second guessing, I just do what I was destined. Cause I feel I got the blessing, persistence and obsession. That's how you keep progressing, I already learned that lesson, yeah. I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. You can't stop what's moving. You can't stop what's moving. I'm changing my life, and I won't look back ever again. No fear, see clear, you deserve to be great. I know it feels like things get in your way. Push through those walls and the others will fall. Sit up, stand tall.
I'm going to use the smaller portion of the hair to do the wrapping.
Remember things, that's how I move on, that's how I stay strong. A new day's on, I'll keep moving right along. And I feel like the pain in the past, it needs to stay in the past. You gotta take off the cast. I wanna feel like I'm a new person. I wanna have clear vision and purpose. And I feel like the pain shouldn't last. If you can move on and past the things that make you feel bad, and you can change in your brain, I'm certain. I've done it before, and man, I'm not perfect. I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. You can't stop what's moving. You can't stop what's moving. I'm changing my life, and I won't look back ever again.
You can add the curls to where you want it to be. So at this point, I am going to add my curls to the locks and then continue the wrapping. When you get to the length that you want your hair to be, that is where you have to use the kinky hair to lock the hair. Since the Brazilian wool cannot lock the hair, you have to use the kinky hair to lock the hair. So this is the final result. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up and share this video. Please subscribe to my channel and go ahead and give this hairstyle a try.